Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing materials and a precise layout. Measure your keyboard rows and plan a 3x10 or match key arrangement because consistent spacing prevents mispresses. Cut sticky notes to uniform widths, preserving the adhesive edge so they stick reliably. Use double-sided tape sparingly under edges for extra hold. Once done, test one key area to confirm size and spacing, and make a small adjustment now, if needed, before you continue across the board. You now attach and label each key carefully. Align the sticky note so the adhesive edge anchors at the rear of the key, press down the adhesive first, then smooth the face to avoid air pockets. Trim corners and edges to leave about 0.5 to 1 mm clearance so keys travel freely. Once notes are secure, label with a fine tip marker. High contrast and consistent sizing improve accuracy. Make sure to test typing a short sentence to verify spacing and legibility before moving to final reinforcement. You finish by reinforcing and checking the entire keyboard. Add thin strips of double-sided tape under high-use keys, but never across the key travel path. This preserves tactile response. Keep spare pre-cut notes and a marker at hand so you can replace worn labels immediately. If notes shift or leave residue, lift them, clean the surface with a small amount of isopropyl on a swab, let dry, and reapply a fresh note. One troubleshooting tip: if keys feel sticky, remove reinforcement and retest until travel is normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.